What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Sahiba and welcome back to my channel Clumzy Lobster. So for today's video, I am going to share with you 15 products that are worth every penny. Now these are the products that I have been using from the longest time now and I haven't had any complaints so far. These products may range from 100 to about 1000 rupees, but trust me, these products are worth that money. So without wasting any time, let's just start the video. So what I have done is I have categorized these products into skincare and makeup products. The first product that I'm going to share with you is a hair care product. Now you know how much of hairstyling goes on these days, straightening, curling, everything is going on, so we definitely need to protect our hair a lot. So this is one of my favorite serums and this is by Live On. I remember back in the day I used to have it when I was in school and I loved this product. I have been continuously and religiously using this product and this is truly an amazing product. I have switched on to many serums, like I have used the L'Oreal serum, I have used the Streak serum. No doubt they are good, but nothing as compared to this product. So if you are looking for a good serum, here's one for you. The next product that I want to share with you is by a brand that I don't really love, but this particular product from that brand is my favorite. So this is a very famous brand although in India. So this is the Himalaya toner and this is the refreshing clarifying toner. I use this toner after I wash my face or after my face shaving and I absolutely love this toner. This is an amazing toner. This protects me from breakouts. If you're somebody with an acne prone skin, then you definitely have to check out this. In one of my videos, I have shared this product with you and this is my favorite product in that range. So this is actually a sunscreen and this is by Lakme. I have two favorite sunscreens actually. One is this Lakme sunscreen and the other one is by Neutrogena. So these two sunscreens are pretty amazing in the market. And talking about this one particularly, when I apply it, it's having kind of a white cast, but as you blend the sunscreen, that white cast disappears and it leaves like a tint on your face as if you're glowing from inside. So this is truly an amazing sunscreen and there hasn't been a single day in my life that I have stepped out of my home without applying a sunscreen, because sunscreen is one of the most important things that you need to have in your skincare. It is very important for your skin to have protection from the sun because UV rays बहुत harmful होती हैं skin के लिए. So the next product that I want to share with you is a exfoliant. Now this particular exfoliant is from Neutrogena and this is the blackhead eliminating daily scrub. Now scrubs are again a very important part of your skincare regime because our skin breathes and what happens is that it tries to build up new cells every now and then, and because of that buildup of new cells we are left with a dead skin layer all over our skin. So it's important for us to remove that dead skin before it starts to cause blackheads and whiteheads. So you need to have a exfoliant and this one is a pretty good exfoliant. First, because you can use this every day, and second, that the beads in this are pretty small and they're not at all harsh on your skin. So if you're somebody with a sensitive skin, then this product is like a miracle for your skin and it will help you to get rid of most of the dirt from your skin. You can skip your face wash for this particular scrub. You can just do the scrub and you're ready to step out applying your sunscreen and moisturizer. The next product is a face wash and this is the Body Shop's Tea Tree Clarifying Face Wash. Now, as I told you, I am somebody with an acne prone skin and I break out like pretty frequently. So this particular product is my savior. When I used this product for the first time, I felt really weird because the smell of the tea tree is not very appealing for your nose, and I was like, what the hell is this? How am I even going to finish this face wash? But as I was using this face wash, I developed like a sensitivity towards it, if I'm using the right word. My textured skin changed, my acne reduced, my blackheads and my whiteheads were no longer as frequent. This is truly one of the best face washes that I have ever used, and trust me that I am still using it. It's been 2 years that I'm using this, and I just cannot live a single day without this face wash. The next product that I want to share with you is again the tea tree face product, and this is the tea tree essential oil, and this is by the Beauty and Company. Again, just take a tad of it and apply it all over your acne, and your acne will literally shrink off in the morning. The next product that I am going to share with you is again by Body Shop, and this is their face sheets. Now I got a pack of 10 and I'm almost done with it. They're so packed up with the serums, and those serums work so well. I mean, you can literally choose out of a variety ki suppose you're having breakouts, so you can choose one particular type of face mask that will work best for you. Similarly, suppose when I was having tanning, so I used to move on to this aloe vera gel, and I used to apply it in the evening and did not wash my face, and for the entire night the serum used to be on my face, and in the morning I used to notice that the serum has been completely absorbed by my skin and my skin used to glow. So I'll just tell you one thing about these sheet masks. If you get them at a 50% discount, you can get this sheet mask for just rupees 50. One retails for rupees 100, so obviously on a discount you can get it for rupees 50, and for rupees 50 as a one-time facial, it's an amazing product and you should really try it out. So that was it for the skincare products. Now moving on to the makeup products. The first makeup product that I'm going to share with you is the product that I have pretty frequently shown in my videos also. This is by Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade Warm Nude 128. And this is like a medium to full coverage foundation. Like if you build it on, you can get a full coverage, but it starts off with a medium coverage, and it is a pretty amazing one because it is a matte foundation. So as you apply it, it mattifies on your skin, and I mean, if you're in a rush, you do not even apply to powder your entire face. You can just powder your T-zone and you're pretty much done. So if you're looking for a good foundation in a budget, then definitely check this out. So the next makeup product that I want to share with you is a concealer. Now I have 3 concealers with me today, and I'm going to share each one of them with you. So the first concealer that I want to share with you is by Maybelline, and this is the Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm in the shade 120 Light. This is a waterproof concealer, and so what you can do with this concealer is that you can just do your normal skincare routine and use this concealer in your problematic areas, blend it out well, and you are ready to step out. This is a pretty amazing one. I mean, it's literally full coverage concealer in the market and one of the best ones sold by Maybelline. Next concealer that I want to share with you is also by Maybelline, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 Sand. This video is literally becoming a Maybelline sponsored video. So this is again an amazing concealer. If you will ask me to choose one from both of these, then I'll definitely go for the Age Rewind, because Age Rewind is a lot more full coverage compared to this. So on days when you do not really want to have a lot of makeup, you can try on this one, but when you want a full coverage, then here's the one for you. The last concealer, I would not call it my favorite because it's not at all full coverage, and it's not also counted as a concealer. It's actually a color corrector. So this one is by Inside Cosmetics, and it is a pretty good concealer. The only drawback is that if you blend it with a beauty blender, then the beauty blender is going to absorb all of it. So I would recommend you that if you're using this, then you need to go for your fingers to blend it out. The next product that I want to share with you is again by Maybelline, and this is their highlighter, and this is the Master Strobing Stick. This is that stick which you have to apply it. Remember that back in the days there was a yoga skin trend. So us time pe when I used to do that yoga skin type makeup, tab I used to apply this, and this is a very very natural highlighter. So if you are somebody who likes to go for a no makeup look, then this is the one highlighter that you need to use. The next product that I want to share with you is also a highlighter, and this is by In Color Baking Highlighter. As you can see by its condition that I have used a lot of it and I broke a lot of it also, but it is worth every penny. And the next product that I want to share with you is also one of the products that I've pretty frequently shared in my videos. This one is the Nykaa K eyeshadow palette, and it has all the neutral colors, and you can use it for your blush, for setting your makeup. This is an amazing one. I mean, if you're looking for a very cheap makeup palette with all the neutrals of some good brand, then here's the deal for you. The last product for today is a makeup remover, and this is by Garnier. This is the Garnier Micellar Water. So this is like a magical water. You just pour it on a cotton pad and you press it on the area where you have makeup and wipe it out. It will wipe off like magic, as if the makeup was never there. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching the video. I hope you had a lot of fun. Do let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos would you like to see next. If you had fun watching this video, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.